Alright guys, so if your Shopify store is showing this error that this store can't accept any payments right now, there might be a problem with your Shopify payments or you haven't really connected your PayPal yet. And for that, I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's very nice and simple. So let's head over to our Shopify store. Now here we are at the payments section. Now how do you do that? Well, all you need to do is go to your dashboard, click on settings, and then click on payments, right? Nice and easy. Okay, so here we have the option to connect to Shopify payments. Now you want to click on complete account setup. Now they will ask you some general information. For example, your business type, your phone number, your address, your bank account, all of those details. Just make sure you give them all of that details, and that is it, guys. Nice and simple. And trust me, Shopify payments is one of the best payment providers. You definitely need to get it. But in some case, if you don't want to work with them, then just simply click on see all other providers. And here we have, guys, we have different service providers that you can definitely take a look at. You can work with any of these depending on your own choices. And simply for PayPal, you have another option here. You can simply click on add payment method with search, because I've already connected my PayPal, so it might not show. And there we have it, guys. This is Lay-by powered by PayPal. But anyways, I have already set up my PayPal. All you need to do is click on add payment method, just search it and click on it and just add it. It's nice and simple. No worries at all. It's very, very simple, straightforward procedure. Now, once you do that, your page is going to be looking something like this. Now I haven't connected my Shopify payments, as you guys can see here. That is why we can't see the MasterCard, the Visa card, all of those logos right here, but we can definitely see the PayPal because it says right here that my PayPal has been connected. So, and it says active as well. It is very, very important. Once you have done completing up everything, just make sure that it says here active. It means that your payment provider is definitely working. Now, if I go back to my store, it says that through checkout or PayPal is working. So that's how simple it is to actually get rid of this error. Shopify payments or PayPal, this is a must. And if you're working in the European market, then get Klarna as well. Again, click on add payment method. Just search right here. All right. So for example, I've searched Klarna, and there we go, guys. And this is how easy it is to find different payment service providers as well. If you are already running a dropshipping store or thinking about getting started, Dropshipping is a complete Shopify dropshipping app that brings everything that you need inside one platform. That's right, everything that you need. Now, inside the app, you can use Nexus AI to quickly find the products that are already trending or even spot what's about to take off. Now, that way, you're not just wasting or guessing your money on the products that won't even sell in the first place. Now, you also get access to the handpicked winning products updated daily by our team of e-commerce experts, plus the ad spy tool for Facebook and TikTok, so you can see which products are going viral and spy on the exact ads that are working for your competitors. Connecting your Shopify store is super easy. Just click the link in the description and in just 30 seconds, you're connected. Once you're up and running, Sell the Trend handles your Shopify store automation, from creating AI-powered conversion-ready product pages to syncing your inventory with suppliers, all the way to just one-click order fulfillment. With Sell the Trend, your Shopify store practically runs itself. You also get access to the top-rated supplier marketplace with local shipping options from USA, Europe, and beyond. So customers aren't waiting weeks for their orders. Now, I've left a 14-day free trial in the description of this video, so you can go and check Sell the Trend out for yourself. If you want to see which kind of products are really selling right now, then check out this video next.